Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Neeti here. In a relationship, ये सक्सेसफुल रिलेशनशिप हम किसे कहते हैं? वी से जब दोनों एक साथ चलते हैं, राइट? Lately I have noticed this, maybe because I've been talking to my friends and I see a lot of younger crowd as well and people of my age as well. When you are in a dating scene या फिर आप एक serious relationship में हैं, you're in a live-in relationship या फिर आप एक married life में हैं, why is it always importance given to कि women के क्या needs और desires हैं? And that is why I bring this video to you today, which is all about what men desire in a relationship. You have to understand from a man's point of view also, because it's very important to know that it's very easy to please them and to keep them happy. At the end of the day, देखिए, you have to understand they are the providers, they're the caretakers. We need guys. For a nice successful relationship, they need women need men. At the end of the day, हम social animals हैं, that is how we are made. So without further delay, let's just jump into it. Okay, number one, what men desire in a relationship is to make love to their women. अगर उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड है, अगर आप उनकी वाइफ हैं, it's very important for a guy to make love to you. In a relationship, जब तक आपकी जो वो सेक्शुअल डिज़ायर्स अगर वो फुलफिल नहीं होते हैं, समवेयर जो ये फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस और जो लव एंड रिलेशनशिप की जो ये वांट्स और नीड्स होती हैं, आई थिंक समवेयर दे जस्ट गो आउट ऑफ द विंडो. यू नो, जब तक कि सेक्शुअल डिज़ायर्स आर नॉट फुलफिल्ड एंड अ मैन, एक ही इनका बहुत बड़ा डिज़ायर होता है सारी रिलेशनशिप में. यू कैन आस्क ऑल मैन पॉसिबल एंड एज वुमेन आई थिंक वी शुड नो दिस एंड हम बस आई थिंक वी जस्ट टेक देम फॉर ग्रांटेड एंड विच इज़ वाई आई थिंक हम अपने काम में इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं, अपनी लाइफ में इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं दैट वी फॉरगेट दैट मेकिंग लव इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. मूविंग ऑन टू अनदर पॉइंट. Men like women who make it very obvious in front of everyone that they are taken. You know, so any guy, any boy, if you ask them, in fact, girls के साथ भी होता है. So हम ये for granted क्यों ले लेते हैं कि men इस चीज़ को लेके comfortable नहीं होंगे या it's not important to do. Of course, as a woman, as a girl, it's important to make it obvious कि अगर आप एक serious relationship में हैं, then you can make it very clear to everyone else that, hey, I am taken. I am dating, I'm in a relationship, I'm a married woman. It's okay. But in today's modern dating scenario and extramarital affairs के साथ, there's just so many options हमारे पास constantly दिमाग में होते हैं that as women, as girls, we sometimes सिर्फ अपने मज़े के लिए, self amusement के लिए, to get more and more attention, we sometimes don't make it obvious that we are taken, we are committed, I am in a serious relationship. Moving on to another point, what men desire in a relationship. I think इस point को लेके सब agree करेंगे. All the guys out there are going to agree. See, जब आप शुरू में you are falling for a girl or you know, you're falling in love with her, you're getting to like her, you like her for looks, you like her for the way she is. When a man gets serious in a relationship, जब वो एक वो level आ जाता है seriousness का, तब उनके दिमाग में सिर्फ वही पुरानी image है आपकी कि आप ऐसी थी. So I think ये तो सब agree करेंगे कि you know, once you get into a committed relationship, बल्कि dating scene में भी आजकल ये होता है कि you know, girlfriends are more or less like you know, ये अपना थोड़ा सा बदल लो, or you know, change this thing about yourself and this will look better, or ये habit तुम्हारी अच्छी नहीं है. I think as a reminder, you know, what men desire in a relationship, वही सारे reasons for which they fell in love with us, we should not change that. We should not change ourselves, and more importantly, we should not change them. Let them be. What men desire in a relationship, again, a very important point. As a woman, as a girl, I think we forget about it, and that is how to be more concerned, caring, and expressive at the same time. You know, एक सिंपल सा अगर आपने मैसेज ही छोड़ दिया, हम स्टेडी रिलेशनशिप में हैं, we're committed, लेकिन हम इतना फॉर ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं, राइट, कि हम पूरे दिन मैसेज नहीं करते हैं that hey, how's your day going, Have you had your food? Are you feeling okay? You had a meeting. How was that meeting? You know, little things. I'm not saying that अगर आप girlfriend है तो आपको पूरा wifey material type बन जाना है. If you're a wife, of course, then please don't forget that, you know, sending a message, one message during the day that hey babe, how are you feeling? Or as a girlfriend also, अगर आप अपने को expressive रखेंगी, एक्सप्रेसिव उस तरीके से मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ where you keep asking questions की you know do you love me, which girl messaged you, who are you out with, when are you coming back, all of those things. No, इनसिक्योरिटी की बात मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट जस्ट मेकिंग देम फील दैट दे आर टेकन केयर ऑफ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू नो, मेरे ऑफिस में देयर इज दिस कपल, दे आर डेटिंग ओनली. Must be 22 or 23, and the girl makes an effort every week कि you know Sunday को she वो home bake कोई चीज़ करती है, and then she gets that to the office for her boyfriend. I think that is so sweet. You know कि आप you're getting something that you like cooking because she likes cooking. So I'm not saying that you have to like cooking, but even a simple message that, you know, how was your day? I think it's really important because हम अपनी ही लाइफ में इतना entangle हो जाते हैं that we just take the partner for granted. So yes, again as a reminder that send that message, you know, a caring message to show him that yes, you are thinking about him. Very, very important. I don't know how much of this girls or women are going to agree, but men, what they desire in a relationship is the actual you. जो आपका real you, जो आप हैं, वो, which is without makeup, you know, loose hair, open hair, just a clip, or maybe, you know, a loose bun, casual clothes. Men, in general, if you ask them, they're not really concerned about कि आपका makeup कैसा है, आपके nails कैसे हैं. Of course, they will observe it. अगर आप you have made an effort, तैयार होके, you know, you are out somewhere, and if the guy gives you a compliment, you would like it because you have put in an effort. But in a steady relationship, day-to-day life में, they're not going to expect you कि, you know, आप पूरे time तैयार रहें, and you know you have to be on your toes and ready and looking good all the time. No. They would really, if the man really loves you, and which normally most of them they do, and what they desire in a relationship is the real you. And really, अगर उन्हें वाकई में, if they want to take care, they will take care of your health. They will not take care कि इसका makeup कैसा है, looks कैसे हैं, बाल कैसे हैं, whatever, your hairstyle and everything. But what they will really care, and what we forget as women, is that they really care about our health. Because if the health is right, of course, the looks and the face and the features and the hair, everything just falls in place. So that is one thing men desire, is less makeup. Don't be so put on all the time, and you know, just be the real us. And less self-conscious जिसे कहते हैं, and more comfortable with them. That is one of the things they desire. And my last point is that men, what they desire in a relationship is that they want to just you know, be left some time. उनका अपना time जो होता है, they desire that if the partner is understanding enough, their girlfriend or wife, कि it's important for you to go out with your boys and have a boy scene as well. See, आपको, you have to understand, men and boys in general, the way they're made, they're very you know, दिल से बिल्कुल बच्चे होते हैं. So they are literally kids at heart. आप notice करेंगे, you know, if you leave them in a toy store, for example, या अगर by chance चले भी जाते हैं ऐसे ही, they would be very interested in picking up all the games, चाहे वो cars हो, remote control cars हो. आप video games देखिए, boys will always be there, you know, in any of these places. They love all the fun stuff. And a woman who understands this, और हम ये ना in a steady relationship या dating के time पे भी हम ये भूल जाते हैं. We expect कि बस we are the world. अब सारी उनकी जो दुनिया है वो हम ही हैं, and you can forget about your friends. You don't have to do anything over the weekend with them. उनके साथ का कोई scene बन रहा है तो baby, I thought हमारा कोई plan होगा. What they desire is a woman to understand that उनका टाइम उनके फ्रेंड्स के साथ doing the boy stuff, which is fun stuff, is also very, very important. So I hope this as a reminder to all the girls and women out there has helped you, and you would probably make some tweaks and changes अपनी relationship में. And if you like such videos, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for more and more new video notifications for you guys. And keep watching, and I'll be back soon with some more interesting stuff. Ta-da!